Look me at me. You want the video now or no? I want it.
Oh?
You wanted to stop, right?
What?
No.
Can I sit down? All this one.
The light box inside. Sorry, more to that side.
Push it to the corner, because we don't want...
More. Lift. Pull. Yeah. No, it's at the bottom. Why the hell is this shit so heavy?
Oh, my umbrella. Oh, but I didn't bring no t-shirt. On.
Wipe it full seat.
That was everything, right? It was like only 3 bags, right?
Look for your tablecloth in there, son.
It's inside the underneath.
This?
I didn't get the tablecloth.
Well, wipe it off then, no? Wipe it off, make it dry then. Hold this on. Remember, hold this. No, feel wonderful. How do you move it?
Wait. Mom, wait. What are you? Come this side, come behind. Come.
Where ni kopi sebelah dia? Ha, sebelah dia mana? Baru ni.
Get out! Oh! What happened?
You missed it.
What?
You're shot of absolute water.
Hey, Mama! You can believe there's a water in the booth. Water.
Look for your feet. You want the video now or no?
I just now went to Aldi's and I got this smoked turkey and this salsa. I'm gonna try all this. Here, hold this.
Why not cover?
1 minute, okay?
I cut the bread like this. Nice, huh?
Huh.
Yeah, better.
Okay, so let's wrap this up here.
Give me the pan. The base way.
No,
It's okay. No, maybe. You could have actually used that.
I could have actually used the propane.
Where your steam pot?
Because without
No, so where your steam pot there?
steam pot I didn't drink.
I'll put it in the water. I don't want to run back in our sitting room.
So today for dinner, I'm going to make putta. I already made the mixture and I used Ashirwad flour, wheat flour. This is the texture you want for putta. This takes almost 30 minutes to make the mixture. So I already made it and steamed it once. And I forgot coconut. Tenga marnu hoi. This is my puttu kutti. This is what I'm going to use to steam the puttu. So I forgot the fresh grated coconut, so I'm going to make it without the coconut. I don't know how I forgot. So tenga illa, puttu koyicha maavundu, pappada undu, payir undu, palam undu. So as I told you, we usually in Kerala we put a lot of coconut, but I forgot coconut at home.
Can I put what?
Look how nice it is.
Oh, it's on. Ow. Dad. Steve.
Like that.
Also, you can take your
Yeah.
There was steam over there.
Nothing. Huh?
get other spoon.
Give one. Coco, take this. Take.
water. Cold. Cold.
I'm coming inside. No, stay there. Go. I'm coming. Guys, can you pass me the lights? I just took it out. The light bag is right there. It's in a Ziploc bag.
The umbrella.
Huh?
Umbrella. What, this?
Ziploc, yeah, pass it from here.
You don't even know what I'm talking about.
In a Ziploc bag.
Can you come here? You have umbrella.
Shit. Wait. No, I'm not. Oh.
You just dropped the umbrella. Let me go get it.
Stay. Maraja.
Then it's almost done.
You're the only pillow that's always mine.
Yeah.
I used it at the
Every
Look how heavy it is.
So guys, it's been raining since we came here in the afternoon, and it's pouring. It's heavy rain. So we are somehow, it's okay, but we see that our neighbors have, like, I don't know if you guys can see, our neighbors are struggling. Last 30 minutes, a big family of, I think. So we are just planning to go and ask them if they need a extra tarp.
Grab my shoes.
Yeah. Here you go.
Let me sit.
Yeah. So we are going to plan. We are planning to go and ask our neighbors if they need an extra tarp, because we always have extra brand new tarps with us.
Let me sit.
So, yeah.
Can I come?
So Bella's dad is going to go look for a tarp if he has any in the vehicle. If he has, we are going to go and ask them if they want one. So Bella's dad did go and give them marble. So he's there, he gave them the tarp. What happened? Oh. Finally, they have the tarp there. Huh?
Yes, Nana. I remember.
I will go straight over back and eat the food.
Hey, you two guys.
So the rain started since we came to the campsite yesterday, and it hasn't stopped yet, and it poured all night. Even though nobody slept. And this is the last rain camping video for the season. No more, because nobody slept, and I don't know, somehow, even though we were on the platform, it was drenched inside somehow. Everything, the blankets, everything was drenched inside. So it was a total chaos. Nobody slept.
No.
Yeah. Bella, you want tea?
Yeah.
Come.
And you want the sour now?
No, I can go get.
Bella?
Oh. My hands are dirty.
Come. Yeah, come.
Oh.
Cheers.
Cheers.
This is a propane.